Dear students, today's topic is recording binary floating point normalization. So, in today's lecture, we are taking an example which is in binary numbers, and after that, we will convert this binary unnormalized number into normalized form. Let's start example 1. This is a given example we have. This is the mantissa, which is equal to 10 bits, and exponent is equal to 6-bit exponent in this unnormalized binary floating point. Now step number 1, how I will have to convert this unnormalized number into normalized binary numbers. So step number 1, before step number 1, one should know about when two leftmost digits of a binary number are same, either it's 00 or it's 11, this is called unnormalized. जब हमारे पास लास्ट जो लेफ्ट मोस्ट टू डिजिट्स हैं when they are same, either they are 1 1 or either they are 0 0, it's called to be the unnormalized. अब इसको normalized करने के लिए, in order to convert it into normalized form, first of all what I will have to do, I will have to step number 1. In step number 1, first of all I will have to write the mantissa, that is 0000100000. Mantissa having up total 10 bits, and the exponent is, this is multiplication symbol, and it is to be represented in 2 power because it's in binary numbers 2 power 6. As you know that this is 1 2 4, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, so this is 2 power 6. This is step number 1. Now in step number 2, what I will do right now, to normalize the number, the decimal point should be moved in front of the first non-zero bit. If the decimal point is moved n places to the right, then the power of 2 is reduced by n. How it's to be done? First of all, I will have to write, instead of this 0, I will write here point. First of all, I will create point here 0 0 0 1, and 5 times 1 zeros I have already, into 2 power 6. Now to normalize, the decimal point should be moved in front of first non zero. इसको first non zero में convert करने के लिए I will move this how many places? This is 1 2 3 places. So I will have to write here, this is 1 0 0 0 0, 5 times zeros, and 2 power 6 as it is. And right now we move this how many points toward right. So I have moved is just 3 points toward right, so that's why I will write here 2 power minus 3. Now in the next new step, what I will have to do right now, instead of writing this point, I will have to write here 0 1, and already how many zeros I have? 5 zeros. अब number of bits in mantissa is equal to 10, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. मेंटीसा की बिट्स हम पहले पूरे करेंगे, उसके बाद व्हाट इज़ द बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट व्हेन बेसिस आर सेम 2 power 6 power should be added, and here this is 6 minus 3, so it must be subtracted. In step number 4, 0 1 and 8 zeros, 3 4 5 6 7 8, this is 2 power 3. In step number 5, this is 0 1 and instead of writing this 2 power 3 which is the exponent, so as 3 is equal to 11 and the total bits of the exponent is equal to 6, so that's why I will have to write 11 और इस हिंसों को आपने पूरा करना है 5 6. So this is the final normalized binary floating point. This is the mantissa and this is the exponent. अब अगर आप लोग यहाँ पे देखें, सो ये लेफ़्ट साइड पे जो दो डिजिट्स हैं ये हमारे पास दोनों डिफरेंट हैं. जब ये दोनों डिफरेंट होते हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड टू बी द नॉर्मलाइज्ड वन. और नॉर्मलाइज भी दो तरह के होते हैं, पॉजिटिव नॉर्मलाइज और नेगेटिव नॉर्मलाइज. जब स्टार्टिंग डिजिट्स आपके पास ज़ीरो हैं तो दिस इज़ पॉजिटिव नॉर्मलाइज, और अगर स्टार्टिंग डिजिट्स आपके पास नेगेटिव हैं सो देन दैट इज़ कॉल्ड टू बी द नेगेटिव नॉर्मलाइज्ड.